Haji?
Hawa Haji is amazing. She brought the whole show together. She was the funny element in the show. She's so lighthearted on all her feet too. It was just really good to watch her perform.
As an ongoing, committed, diehard fan of Hawa Haji, I've been going to all her shows since, I was yay high. This has topped it. And, I'm always surprised when I go to her shows because she just keeps bringing fire after fire. Sitting next to people who have never heard of her or never seen her before, they were slapping their knees laughing, and that's just the kind of product that she puts forward.
What do you think of Hawa Haji and her performance?
Oh my god, she's amazing. She's like the coolest 50-year-old rapper I've ever seen. She's so cool, she rocks.
I loved her.
What did you think of Hawa Haji?
Yeah, Hawa Haji is a really nice woman, and she made the show really, really, really nice. I really love this. Yeah, that's all.
So what do you think of Hawa Haji and the show?
Oh, mashallah, it's my first time and it is amazing. She's so funny. My husband is Somali, so I can relate to a lot of the cultural references, but mashallah, it's a great time and she is just keeping us going.
Thank you.
You're welcome.